13. What's this? 13? Okay, top under 13 is Frederick Alexander Chung. May party o wala na? Competed. Congratulations, okay? Frederick Alexander Chung. Our top under 12. Under 12 is Jericho Marticio. Jericho Marticio? 11 plays actually siya, pero sa first siya. Our top under 11. Okay, under 11 is Gian James Baron. Gian James Baron yan, after top 11, nasa na? Baron? Ikaw. Ikaw naman siya. Okay, Gian James Baron. We're going to send it. Bicol. Pag nagpakasyon tayo sa Bicol sa ating movie. Okay. Number 12 siya actually. And our top female. Top female with 6 points is Pia Janay Yulanco. Umuwi na si Pia, wala na sa car. Sabi mo, sa akin lang. Ha? Okay, now we'll start with our top 10. Top 10 is Asher Jude C. Asher Jude C. Yan. 10th place. Robbie Roll also. Ito si Daddy. Okay. Sama si Daddy. Basta kasama si Daddy, picture. Asher Jude C. Okay. 9th place, Gerald Jade Antiporta. Gerald Jade Antiporta. Okay. 9th place, congratulations. And 8th place, actually one of the youngest player sa under 14. Dapat under 11 lupit lang to. 9-year-old, Caleb Royce Garcia. Okay. 8? Oh, 8 ka lang pala eh. Mukha ka lang 10 eh. Congratulations. 8. Dina, 8 place ha. Kung nag-10-year-old din na ako pala, dapat pwede lang. Pwede ka mag-medal ko na. Okay, number 7, top 7, David Leonard Azuela. David Leonard Azuela? Oh, wait po na, pwede lang ha. David Leonard Azuela. Okay, congratulations, David Leonard Azuela. Okay, our 6th place, 11-year-old Christian Tolosa. 6th place, Christian Tolosa, our 11-year-old under 12. Under 5th place. 5th place is Rafael Erwin Lacorte. Okay? Rafael Erwin Lacorte. O, dahil daw. Congratulations, Rafael. Nasa Lipa? Diba? From Bicol to Lipa, Cavite, okay, dami ha, kung saan tayo nakakarating. Okay. 4th place, Gabriel Ryan Paradero. Okay. Gabriel Ryan Paradero. Okay, pagkapasok na. Oh. Sayang daw, muntik na mag-champion. Muntik na, ha? Sa susunod, tuluyan mo na, ha? Okay. Ang Gabriel Lion Palabel. Okay, our third place is Away Magpusaw. Away is third place, 7 points. Aba, tikit-tikit pala sila, puro 7, ha? Tie break lang, ito. For the first runner-up, Jude Angelo Gabrielo. Asa si Papa mo? Okay, so may pinagmanahan yan, ha? Nanay at tatay, ha?
Hindi nang manalo rin.
Okay, dapat lapasan mo si tatay mo.
Balato yan, balato. Balato. Bakit nalo?
Okay?
May silver sa'yo.
Oo nga, pipilig na yan. Yung katapuan kay Mami. Ha? Hindi na ko sa tatay. Wala naman dito eh. Penalty naman si Coach Ronald eh. Okay? Congratulations. And our champion!
Ano na?
Wala na po tayong champion. Ay, andito pala. Mar Aguiar Carredo. Okay? Lolo? Lolo Smile? Okay. Okay, congratulations. Mark Aguiar Carredo. Okay, all medalists. Lahat po ng medalists. Wala po tayo sa harapan. Picture taking tayo lahat. Okay, congratulations. Nakuha niyo